30 questions, 5 seconds each. Not enough? Don't panic. Pause and think. Subscribe and like the video for more funny content. Which deadly snake is found predominantly in dense African forests? Dense African forests are home to the Gaboon viper. Which venomous snake is captured in southeastern U.S. marshes? Cottonmouths are venomous snakes found in U.S. marshes. Which snake is famous for its fearsome triangular head? Fer-de-lance is well known for its sharply triangular head. What snake is called the death adder due to its venom potency? The death adder is named after its potent venom. Which snake's venom contains powerful neurotoxins and cytotoxins? The venom in a coastal taipan includes potent neurotoxins and cytotoxins. Which Australian snake is responsible for the most snake bites? In Australia, the eastern brown snake causes the most bites. Which snake's venom can cause severe tissue destruction? Puff adder venom can severely damage tissue. Which deadly snake belongs to the elapid family? King Cobra is a prominent member of the elapid family. What snake's bite results in the fastest human fatalities? A bite from the inland taipan results in quick fatalities. Which snake is black with yellowish stripes and very venomous? The banded krait is striped black and yellow and highly venomous. Which African snake is famed for its jet black mouth display? The Black Mamba displays a black mouth when threatened. Which snake sprays venom as a defense? Spitting cobras protect themselves by spraying venom. Which sea snake is among the most venomous on Earth? Belcher's sea snake is among the most venomous sea snakes. Which Indian snake is famed for its hood? The Indian cobra is famous for its extended hood. Which snake caused most deaths in Australia historically? Historically, the tiger snake caused many deaths in Australia. Which viper has the longest fangs of any living snake? Gaboon vipers have the longest living snake fangs. Which snake mimics a swaying branch in the African bush? Boomslangs appear like branches to evade predators. Which U.S. snake is vividly ringed red, yellow, and black? U.S. coral snakes have vivid red, yellow, and black rings. Which deadly viper is famous for its puffing and hissing? Puff adders hiss and puff when threatened. Which Asian snake is the world's biggest venomous species? King Cobra is the biggest venomous snake in Asia. Which viper is found in both Africa and the Middle East? Saw-scaled vipers live in Africa and the Middle East. Which snake hides in trees and has potent hemotoxic venom? Boomslangs hide in trees and use potent hemotoxic venom. What snake is the fastest on land? The fastest land-moving snake is the Black Mamba. What Australian snake is aggressive and neurotoxic? Eastern brown snake is known for aggression and neurotoxicity. What viper has the heaviest venom yield per bite? Gaboon viper delivers the heaviest venom dose per bite. Which viper's triangular head warns of high venom risk? The fer-de-lance's head shape signals its high venom risk. Which snake can kill a human in minutes from a single bite? A Black Mamba bite can kill rapidly, often in minutes. Which snake is prized for anti-venom research worldwide? Bothrop snakes are important for anti-venom research. Which snake can remain unseen due to perfect camouflage? The Gaboon viper uses camouflage to hide from predators. Which viper is famous for its warning horn above the eyes? Horned vipers have a distinctive horn above each eye. Subscribe and like the video for more funny content.